Importance of animals. Animals give foods. Animals give people foods to eat. Some animals give people meat. Meat makes your body strong and healthy. These animals give people different kinds of meat. For example, chicken, goat, cow, shrimp, fish. Animals give things. Some animals give people things for making clothes and accessories. For example, wool comes from sheep. Silk comes from silkworms. Leather comes from animals like cows, carabaos, crocodiles, and others. Animals give help. Some animals help people do different activities. Some help people go from one place to another. Others protect people from danger. Here are some animals that help people. For example, a cow helps people take goods to a place. A horse takes people from one place to another. A carabao helps a farmer plow the field. A dog helps a blind man cross the street. A dog guards and protects people from burglar. Thank you for watching.